got some meatloaf. We should get some meatloaf, y'all. Look at this. Stirring that gravy up, y'all. He's stirring it up, stirring it up. Y'all thought this was the game? I got them green beans, I got the black eyed peas, I got some catfish. What's going on, family? I am in Riverview, Florida, and I'm about to go into a spot called Fred's Market. Yo, this is in here. Let's go up in here and check it out. We about to go sneak up in them. Here with my cousins, y'all. My cousins. I love my cousins. Let's check it out. Look, man, looking good. Oh, jump. Rhonda eating veggies? What? Oh, got some meatloaf. We should get some meatloaf, y'all. Look at this. Oh, that's that gravy. He's stirring that gravy up, y'all. He's stirring it up, stirring it up. That fried chicken. Oh, look, man, they got black eyed peas, they got greens, collard greens, okra, got some beans here. Let's go for it, y'all. Y'all thought this was the game? I got them green beans, I got the black eyed peas, I got some catfish, chicken and dumplings, and I got that sweet potato soufflé. Ron got all that stuff over there. Okay, y'all, there's a big cross-cultural mix that's in this place right now. So I would say that the locals know that this is a good spot. First thing I'm going into is the chicken and dumplings. I'm gonna taste the chicken in there. It's a big lump piece of chicken. Matter of fact, just check out the plate, y'all. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's check the chicken. That's good flavor on that chicken, but it's hard to the bite. I knew that, though. I knew that. Okay, y'all, I think that chicken was kind of, it was just too much, right? It wasn't tender.
See, you know, you gotta ask an Army guy. I know you Navy guys.
You heard him? He said you gotta ask the Army guys because the Navy guys don't know. Navy got the best meal in the military. The dumpling part of it, y'all, which is like the pasta, is really good. Huh? Your chicken's good? That was in the dumpling? Yeah. It was too big of a piece. I'm sitting here chewing and got dried out. The smaller pieces are good. The smaller pieces are good, y'all. My cousin felt for them and was like, try another piece. Help them out, cuz. All right, we're gonna go for the black eyed peas and the sweet potato soufflé. That's real good and country right there. Green beans. Yes, y'all can. Anything for the numbers. Let me give y'all a mic. I got some catfish, y'all. I'm gonna put my fork now, and I'm gonna pick up my Carolina forks. Use my Carolina forks to pick up this catfish. Yo, that catfish is good. Huh? Oh yeah. You know, that's sad I didn't think of the hot sauce, right? Look, y'all, I got my hot sauce. I got my hot sauce. We're gonna shake it up. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh wow. Wow, when you get a certain age, you can't open the hot sauce no more. Wow. All right, we drowned it with that hot sauce, y'all. Go back to my Carolina forks. That is worth it.
So they'll be like, yeah, look at that. Or somebody falls asleep.
There's a lot more food up there to get, y'all. I'm very happy what I got so far, except that big old piece of chicken. It wasn't tender enough. That big piece wasn't. The smaller pieces are cool, but everything else is delicious. All right, yo, this is round 2. I got some corn casserole. I got the mac and cheese. I got some more of that catfish, man. This time I got the collard greens and some grits. Get that hot sauce on there, y'all. Need some butter for the grits. Round 2, y'all. I need some butter, though. Let's taste the grits first. Oh, wow. Those grits are really creamy. I don't need butter for them. All right. Y'all know the catfish is good. I'm going to go straight. Look at it. Look at this. Can y'all see this? This is right here is that macaroni and cheese that they definitely put egg in. And anytime you can get a little extra egg, it's as expensive as it is a good deal. Look at that cheese. The macaroni and cheese is good, but it's not there's no seasons in there. What you think?
I just tasted it.
It's not seasoned to me. Let's taste the greens. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, my cousin said it's not the way she like it.
I like it cheesy.
Yeah, I like it cheesy and at least taste seasoned. Try the collard greens next. I like the collard greens. I like the collard greens. Cause they're not, y'all know, once again, I said I don't like vinegary collard greens. These are just perfect.
About the yams.
We got the army over here, y'all laughing at me. So the greens are the truth. Oh, I didn't try the corn soufflé. Casserole, corn casserole. I gotta try that one next.
Oh, that's pretty good.
It looks good. Oh, it's got a little bacon in there? That's that corn casserole right there. Let's check it out. Yeah. Yeah. That is really good. That's really good, y'all. It's worth the stop, man. Come on, check out this Fred's Market. Here. What town is this?
Riverview.
Come check out Fred's Market here in Riverview. 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 That's only 3 syllables, man. Why is it so hard for me to? Riverview. Now,
Catfish.
Don't go to one in Plant City.
oh, it's another one?
Yeah.
Oh, don't tell me. In Lakeland.
Plant City.
Oh, in Plant City.
Don't go to that.
Oh, yeah? So he's saying they're different, right? Customer here said they're different. He said, come to this one. This one's the truth.
They're both the same, but
Okay.
they got more black.
Ah, I get it. I get it. So they got more soul food cookers in the back here. I get it. I get it. That's really good. So we going for the desserts right there. They got the desserts right there. Y'all thought this was a game. I was done, man. I thought we was about to go, y'all. And I was like, look, I'm hungry again. I'm about to run 5 miles around the building and come back and eat again. Let's see, y'all. Let's see if it's official. That's good, y'all. It don't taste like that pudding. Don't it look like that type of pudding stuff? But it's not. Yeah, look at the texture. Look at the texture on there, y'all. It's not like that Jello pudding, vanilla Jello pudding. I know y'all think I'm joking. Look this place up. It's called Fred's Market. In Riverview.
What is that?
Riverview. Riverview, Reggie. Sound like Josie and the pudding cat. Pudding cat. I'm done. That's it, man. Fred's Market. I must say that it was really delicious, man. I would say that's one of the better buffets that I've been to. You know, hometown country, buffet, all of that stuff ain't got nothing on Fred's Market here in Florida. But Rhonda agreed with me, y'all, about the chicken. What'd you say about the chicken?
I didn't have it.
You didn't have none of the chicken.
Oh, the chicken
Chicken and dumplings.
Oh, yeah, the bigger pieces.
We're kind of tough, right? It's just too much to chew.
Yeah, but the dumplings was good.
The dumplings were delicious. What'd you want to say? What's going on?
I said as long as it was the shredded chicken.
She said the shredded chicken.
Yeah, not the
Yeah, the little smaller shredded chicken was tender.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. My next stop was Siesta Key Beach, and it was absolutely amazing. Here we go. When you enter the beach, it's like a long way before the water. Right? It's a good little walk. Can't remember the last time I've been on a beach that is this far, this much sand, you know? The water looks beautiful though. The color of the water is magnificent. That's it, man. Had a nice couple hours at the beach. Now I'm about to go get some snacks for the trip on to Alabama next. Yeah, man. Enjoying Florida though. I might have to hang out here another night, you know? Enjoying the beach and the sun, beautiful weather. And then I went to Venice Beach because I needed to get back to the ocean and just watch the sunset. It was absolutely beautiful. This was my last night here in Florida before I moved on to Mobile, Alabama. See you guys at the next one. Love you. That was the sun setting over the Gulf of America. Okay, the Gulf of Mexico.